Hello, my name is Ashley. Today, because it's Christmas is coming, I want to show you how you can make very inexpensive, beautiful wreath for Christmas that we decorate on a tree. Now, I have a grapevine which I showed you before, my beautiful garden, my little paradise. You see that on a video. I had the grapevine, so what it did, the leaves are gone, the branches stays on it. So what will you do? Now you can use grapevine's branches or mulberry trees, the old branches that it's growing that you have to prune it. You can prune them because it's very flexible, or persimmon trees branches, they are very flexible. You can take it and you can make very beautiful wreath. So this is the grapevine wreath. So what I do, it depends how big or how small do you want, because they are flexible. What you do is you take them and you turn them, you twist them like this, and sometimes at the end you take them and you weave them a little bit. So what it does, it holds it together. And then of course you take little piece of wires and you tie them. See, this is how it stays. And what you do every year, you can throw the greens away and you keep them. You can use them next year, or you can always make new one for yourself. So I've done here once over here, which is dried up already. This is from last year. Sometimes I throw it, sometimes I keep it. It's very simple and it's very easy to do it. So now I have one here, and there is a little wire around, which I don't need it, but it was this way from the beginning, so I left it. Now I have a beautiful tree outside that I planted by grafting it, putting roots hormone, and it grew very beautiful Christmas tree. So I just get up this morning and I picked them up and I cut them little pieces. Let me show you over here, which I already made bunch, which I have here. So what you do is, it's simple. You just take pieces like this and you put on top of each other like this, collect them and put the way your taste is. Of course, it's gonna go this around the wreath. And the strong ones put in the back so it hold it strong and tight for you like this. And then you can take a wire or a rubber band and you tie them very well like this, which I did already, plenty over here. Now what we have to do, and what we need is couple decoration, red color, whatever color you want, because it's Christmas, it's New Year. We want to start with joy, with fun, so we want nice red colorful decorations. And the special time, pine cones, which I collect them this at the park. When I went, there is a lot on the floor, you can pick them up. It really doesn't cost you nothing. Very simple, very easy. Now we're gonna put branches. So what you do is you hold them together like this, and what you need, a little wire. Any wire, sometimes you have a grocery wires. What you do is you hold them. It's very thin wire that it's very flexible. It's very easy to open it. If you don't have it, you can tie up with anything, but wire, it will be good because it will hold nice the greens. If no, you might be able to try to do it the glue gun, or you can tie them with the ribbon, whatever you have on hands, or it makes it easier for you. So what you do is, the first one, we tie them together, the wire. Let's do this, because later on we're going to continue and twist it. So we'll put like this. We take this, and this is the ends. We have to put on top of it the next one. And what we do is we just twist it like this twice, so it will hold it good, or just pull them nice and tight so they will grab it very easy like this. So now we're gonna do this twice. Sometimes you'll find the little branches outside like this. Just take the nipper and cut them this way. There you go. So make the life easier. So this is the way you'll take them. You put them on top of each other. Make sure that the surface one be outside. And when you tie it, because it's the leaves, it always cover it. It won't show for you. So this is the way we'll put them. We'll take it another one. It goes this way. Don't worry when you go over on top, because always there is another reed leaves will cover it. So which I prepared it to save the time. Here's another branch. We'll cut that. Very, very beautiful thing it is. It doesn't cost you a lot. It's just a little time, which is a pleasure to do it. When you do yourself, you will enjoy it. In case if it gets knot, you can just cut the wire and continue again. It won't have a problem. So now that I have to tie that up, I'm gonna, while it's not, so I will cut it. And what you do is, you just tie it up with any branch. It just happens things like this, so you can use your imagination how to hold it, how to do it. Now when the reed is finished, in case if you don't like extra things, you can just cut them. But I really love to see this way. It looks very nice, loose, free, because real trees, real branches, they are loose and free they are. Now, in case if you want to put the sides too, you can do the sides too. It doesn't have to be. But when we hang it, we see in the front. So just do this. Let's put the full one. There you go. Let's have one more here. We'll have another one too. This is the front part. Now my wire is finished, so I will tie it with my branches. What you do here now, when you come at the end, you just put this under like this, and it will cover it for you. You don't want to see this wire here, so what you do, you just take some of the leaves out, branches out, and it'll cover. So this is how it's gonna look, which is really beautiful. Like I said, in case if you don't like it, the branches extra, you just cut them a little bit, trim them. Now we have those decorations. You can take the leaves out, or you can just leave it the way it is, and you will put them inside. Of course, there is again, you can put a little bit wire and tie them up. I don't think it will fall because it's already, while there is wire, you can push them between the leaves, between the wires, either way you like. And this, it really doesn't even cost you, like I said, anything. Maybe a couple $1 just to buy the ornaments. There we go. There's one wire here. We just go through. There we go. We just pull it out. And between the leaves, we will decorate just like this. They go into the branches, and then you can pull it from inside, from the bottom, and I don't think it will fall. It will stay. Now, I have some pine cone, which, like I said, I picked them up, and I just put a little wire. Let me show you here one, which is, there you go. There is one here. What you do is, you take the wire, and you put, wherever it's empty, you just go circle and twist it, just like this. And then cut the wire, which will have it. So what we do is, we just decorate here and there. You put it straight down, and then you tighten it up with your branches. Just pull them down and it will stay. Look how beautiful it's gonna look, just the way it is. So we're gonna do this. So decorate them here and there. Already looks beautiful just the way it is. Let's put it a little bit higher. And what you can do is, if you like to have a white pine cone, you can just spray white on it, or you can spray it with glitter. It's your taste. It's your wreath. You can do whatever you like. So, there we go. And I think it's looking very, very pretty. We can even just spray it with white snow. You can put next to each other, doesn't hurt. It will look beautiful again. What better way to enjoy the holidays by having in front of your door fresh leaves, fresh from your garden, and be proud of yourself that you did it. Now, I have other decoration over here. If I like to put a little bit silver color or more red with shiny things, I can do that. But I think this is very beautiful the way it is. All right, now and the last, what we have to do is we have to put a light around on a wreath. So what we have to do is, you see the pine cones, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to twist it and pull them inside like this. So this way it will hide around the cone, around the plants, because you don't want to see too much wire. So you'll see here, here's the cone, you just go around. So this way it will hold it. There we go. Because at night we want to put the light on, so it will look beautiful from outside if you decorate inside. There is all kind of sizes of the light, so you can get a small one, short one, long one. And here it is, under the plants, under the decoration, and here we go. And now we're gonna plug it. Let's see. And wherever you want, you make sure that you have your plug. So this way it's gonna look. I'm gonna wish you Happy Holiday, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Now what we have to do, we're just gonna put a hanger, which again, it's a wire, because we have to hang them from the door, outside or inside, which Christmas time I have it inside, outside, on every doors. It looks very, very beautiful. Besides me, my customers, they enjoy it. When they come, they see it, they say it's beautiful. Sometimes I make it for them too, I have to tell you the truth, because they ask me, and I'll do it for them. So what you have to do, you just roll another wire from the back and then tie them up like this. You don't have to make it too big. We don't want this to be hanged with wire to see like this. We have to make it a little shorter so it stays. You can hang it from the nail. We don't want to see the wire from outside, from hanging. So this is the beautiful wreath. Like I said, it's very simple, very easy. It doesn't take too much time. It doesn't cost you a lot. If you have like mulberry tree, like I said, cut the branches. They are flexible, or persimmon trees, branches are very flexible. So is the grapevine. Take them, roll them, tie them up, and pick up some. You go to the park, you see little pine trees, just collect the leaves. Even you can make it with the orange tree leaf. It will become very, very beautiful, which I've done that before. So this is the way. It smells beautiful because I just picked them up this morning, and you will enjoy it. Well, thank you for watching. I want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to all of you, and I hope we'll have a new year coming. Will be a healthy and safe and happy, prosperous, successful for everybody. And this year will go away, and we will have a nice, beautiful new year. Thank you again for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and like. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.